more than just a kid raised by gangsters and roughnecks. Johnny Bennett Battaglia has managed to find his footing in a slippery upbringing. Now, there's a lot of mob kids out there, but the focus of our story is one of nature versus nurture. I mean, let's look at this for a second. It's been taught in psychology for decades, whether or not we're a product of our environment or our upbringing. Now, this is the operative question, and Johnny believes it's loud and clear. It's both. Now, as we teeter into these teases of what this franchise has to offer, the fact is, while everyone loves a good street life type story for movie and entertainment, in Johnny's story, we ask that you realize behind every gangster type story made, movie, documentary, or book, the real lives behind these great pieces are fragmented, the raw and still painful. And these stories and memories are pressed for the purpose of closure and your entertainment, and to keep the Battaglia family legacy alive. Enjoy this story through the eyes of the Kaleidoscope Kid. Because this story is not just about Johnny. The story's about you, and the story's about me.
Meaning everybody else. In other words, Janis Joplin died.
For someone else's.
And I mean killing myself. So I stopped. The acting thing, I loved. I don't know which was my first love or from there on. But I do know that it became no longer that important to me. Sean Nuanes kind of didn't resurrect me. He resurrected the material. He saw a link, a timeline that the way he represented me was. It ain't about you, it ain't about anything you did. It's about all the things you did. Mafia, Cowboys and Cowboys. Very unique story. Pretty much unheard because it is one of a kind, unique and original.
Didn't do it.
No, I was reticent to do it. Used to be I was a infamy horror or a famous horror. Hell.
6 years, John.
But I didn't want that anymore. And yet Sean wanted to put the cherry on my cake. And I appreciate him for that. And I think the one thing that if you do listen and you do subscribe to this in one form or another, it is the lifetime, the body of work.